Dear students, today class is real numbers exercise 2. For the question, find the HCF using prime factorization method. The numbers are 120, 90. So first one, find the 120 prime factors. 260 ja, 230 ja, 215 ja, 3 5 ja. So what one? So the prime factors of the 120 is 260 ja, 230 ja, 215 ja, 3 5 ja. So 5 is already prime number. Now find out write 120 is equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This is the what one? Prime factorization of the 120. Like that, find the 90 also. And take 3 table. 3 3 ja 0. Again 3 10 ja 30. Again 2 5 ja 10. So 3 30 ja 90. Again 3 10 ja 30. Again 2 5 ja 10. 5 is already prime number, but don't write. Now write the what one? 90 is equal 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. So these are the prime product of the 90 and 120. 120 is equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 90 is equal 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. This is what one? Prime factorization of the 120 and 90. Now find the HCF. It's what one? 120 is equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 90 is equal 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. Here first HCF is equal means what? Highest common factor. Take the common numbers. 2 1 common 2. Again 3 is there, 3 is there. Again 5 is there, 5 is there. What one? Write the 5. So this is what one? Only you multiply the common factors in both prime factors. So HCF is equal 2 the 6 6 3 the 6 5 the 30. 2 the 6 6 5 the, so 30 is the HCF. And also you can find the LCM also. Is what one? Least common multiplier. See 120 is equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 90 is equal 2 into 3 into 5. Here LCM is equals only you write the common numbers one time only. What common here? 2 common only one time. 3 common 3 only one time. 5 common only one time. What remaining are there? 2 and 2 is there. 2 into 2. So now multiply. 2 3 ja 6. 6 5 ja 30. 32 ja 60. 6 2 ja 120. So 120 is the LCM. This is the what method? You can find the HCF and LCM using the prime factorization method. So now second question is the express 140 in prime factors only. This only simple, not HCF, LCM. Only prime factors. How can we find it? So 140 divided first one. What is the least prime number? 2 is the least prime number. First you divide by 2. Otherwise 3. Otherwise 5, 7 like that. First we take 2. 2 7 ja 14 0. 2 35 ja 70. Again 5 7 ja 35. 7 1 ja 7. What one? 140 is equal 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. This only product of the primes. This what one? So product of right here. Just we will change the question. What one? Product of prime factors. So okay, like that. Next question. 3825. It is large question. Okay, you can do 3825 divided by last for 5 the division rule. 5 which will come in the 5 table. 5 7 ja 35, here 3 32, 5 6 ja 32, 5 5 ja 25. Again 5 table. 5 1 ja 5, 26, 5 5 ja 25, 15, 5 3 ja 15. Again 3 table, 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3. Again 3 table, 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. Again 17 1 ja 17. This is the what one product of the prime factors of 3825. So 3825 is equal what one? 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 17. What one? This is the product of prime factorization. So second question is the find LCM and HCF using prime factorization. Here 3 numbers given, already you done. 2 numbers only you know about. Here 3 numbers given, 3 integers given, 12, 15 and 21. You can find the LCM and HCF. First you can find the prime products of the 12, 15, 21. Then we take the common factors or LCM method. See, first one 12 divided by the 2 table. 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 3 1 ja. So what one 12 is equal, right? 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Second one, what is second question? Second 15. So 15 divided by 3. 3 5 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5. What one? 15 is equal, this is 12. 3 into 5, 3 5 ja 15. Again 21. 3 7 ja 21, directly 7 1 ja 7. So 21 is equal 3 into 7. So all we can, what one? Prime product of the 12 is equal 2 into 2 into 3. Prime product of the 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Prime product of the 21 is equal to 3 into 7. Now we can find the LCM and HCF. So 12 is equal 2 into 2 into 3. 15 is equal 3 into 5. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. What one? This is the prime product of the 12, 15 and 21. Now we find the first one HCF, highest common factor. What is the common number here? Yeah, 3 is there, 3 is there, 2 is there. Okay, 2 is there, but there is no 2. There is no 2. If 7 is there, there is no 7. There is no 7. The only 3 is the common. 3 is the HCF of the numbers. Next LCM. LCM. Common only 3 is there, right? Remaining all numbers. 2 into 2 here. 5 into 7. So what was? These are the LCM method. What was 7 5 ja 35. 35 2 ja 70. 72 ja 140. 143 ja 480. 420. Like that, you can find that. Right. What one? 6, 12, 60. What one? 420 is the LCM. So next question is the 306 and 657. First what one? Divide 306. So we take small table, 3 table. 3 1 ja 0, 3 2 ja. Again 3 table, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. Again 2 table, 2 1 ja 2 17 ja. Again 71 ja 70. So what one? 306 is equal 3 into 3 into 2 into 17. Again 657, 657 also divided. So we are here to take 3 table. 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27. Again 3 table. 3 7 ja what one? 21. 3 3 ja 17 table only. 17 1 ja 73 only. 73 table is 73 is the prime number only. So this one. So 657 is equal 3 into 3 into 73. Now we can find the HCF and LCM. So 306 is equal to what one? 3 into 3 into 2 into 17. 657 is equal to 3 into 3 into 73. Now HCF is equal, what the common? 1 3, right, 1. Again 3, again 3. So what one? 9 is the HCF. Next one, LCM is equal, what the common? 3 into 3. Remaining 2 into 17 into 73. So we can multiply these all numbers. So now LCM is equal to what? 3 into 3 into 2 into 17 into 73. So what one? 17 into 34, 34 into 9. So it will come 306. Again into 73. So 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9. 7 6 are 42. So 21. 8 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 13, 2 2. What LCM is equal to? 22,338. This is what one? This is the LCM of the two numbers. Now homework, first bit. Express the following in product of prime factors. 156, 5005, 7429. Second bit. Find HCF and LCM. You know all of this method only, prime fraction method only. 50, 60. Second one. 37, 49. Third one. 17, 23 and 29. Fourth one. 8, 9 and 25. Fifth one. 72 and 108. So this homework sums you do homework book and show tomorrow.